Solve the equation if possible. Our equation is 3x minus 8 minus 4x minus 7x equals negative 2 minus 8. Now the first thing I see here is that we have a lot of like terms on this side here. We have a lot of x terms. I'm going to extend my underline to include this negative sign because that's important. And on this side we also have two like terms. We have negative 2 and then minus 8. So the first thing I'm going to do is combine those. So we have 3x minus 4x, which would give, I'm going to write these out like this actually. Is this a better idea? And we have minus 7 more x. So the number of x's we're left with is 3 minus 4, which gives us negative 1. Minus 7 more gives us negative 8x. So we still have this negative 8, so we have negative 8 minus 8x equals negative 2 minus 8 more gives us negative 10. Now we want to isolate x by getting all the constant variables over to this other side. So we're going to add 8 to cancel out that 8, and then the addition property of equality, which is what we're using here, says that if we add to one side, we have to add 8 to the other side. So cancel. On this side we're left with that negative 8x, which equals, we have negative 10 plus 8, this negative 2. Now we have x being multiplied by negative 8. In order to undo that, we need to divide by negative 8. Again, the division property of equality this time we're using. If we divide by negative 8 on one side, must do the same on the other. Negative 8's here will cancel. We get x equals, now the negative signs cancel, because when you have a negative number divided by a negative number, you end up with positives, so that gives us 2/8. So we have x equals 2/8. We're going to go one step further here and simplify it. I know that 2 goes into 2 one time, and it also goes into 8, but it goes into 8 4 times. So our final answer, we solved for x, and we got x to equal 1/4. And that is our final answer.